Now we are going to use the pronoun en in these sentences. I have given you 3 sentences. The first sentence is El va the youth. Now we are going to replace this noun. It is introduced by a partitive article. So we would replace this with en, and where do we place en? Before the verb. The verb is v. So L. Before the verb we place en, v. That's all. We do not write due. If there is an indefinite article, we would include that. Since it is a partitive article, we do not include. So your sentence is elle en veut. That's it. So the next sentence. So that is sentence number 1. The second sentence, vous prenez de la salade. So what are we going to replace here? Salad. Salad is the noun. Now we are going to replace this with en, and it is introduced by a partitive article. Okay. So we are going to replace it with en, and where do we place en? We place it before the noun. The noun here is prenez. So vous en prenez. What did we do in this sentence? We replaced the noun with en, and we placed en before the verb. So very simple exercise. I think it's the simplest among what we have learned so far. You just have to identify the noun. Il achète un litre du lait. He buys a liter of milk. Now, what is the noun we need to replace here? So here we need to replace the noun milk. Okay, so what we would replace it with? We are going to replace it with en, and where do we place en? Before the noun. In this sentence, which is the noun? The noun is acheter. So il en acheter. And you should write the remaining sentence. If there is anything remaining, you need to write that as well. Un litre. He buys a liter of it. Instead of lait, we are writing en, means it. Vous prenez. We take it. Okay, we take it. So en is similar to the it we use in English, and it replaces a noun, and we place it before a verb. So are you ready to see some more sentences?